Jiangsu Mingxuan Environmental Protection Technology Company is a comprehensive high-tech enterprise with the professional standards and mature technology. Mingxuan always stands at the forefront of China's environmental protection industry, advocates environmental protection and ecological restoration. In recent years, the equipment developed and produced by Mingxuan has been exported to more than 20 countries. The company has passed Construction Enterprise Qualification Certificate, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certificate, and also achieved High-Tech Enterprise Certificate. After more than 10 years of painstaking research, now it has nearly 100 patented technologies and participates in and completes provincial-level scientific and technological projects. Nowadays, the company has provided equipment services for more than 300 sewage plants and water purification plants. Mingxuan Company introduced advanced foreign technology, cooperated with many universities closely, has developed a series of high-efficient food waste treatment equipment. The integrated equipment adopts unique stainless steel material plus Q235 paint. It has beautiful appearance, compact structure, small space, and long service lifespan. The equipment consists of lifting system, pre-treatment system, fermentation system, and waste gas treatment system. It equips with a microcomputer automatic control system, which can be operated and monitored remotely. The organic waste will be dumped from the lifting system to the pre-treatment system, then weighed and recorded. The pre-treatment system performs crushing, solid-liquid separation. The crusher adopts a double-shaft shredding design with overload protection, forward and reverse functions. The main body of the dewatering conveying equipment is made of stainless steel, with U-shaped dewatering holes uniformly distributed over the surface, and an adjustable dewatering pressure plate is provided on the top. The dewatering function is achieved according to the interaction between the variable pitch screw travel spindle and the plug. The effect is 2 to 3 times higher than that of ordinary one. High-pressure spraying is used to prevent blockage of the dragon wall. The oily sewage can use wastewater treatment device, and the effluent water quality meets the water quality standards for sewage discharged into urban sewers. The aerobic fermentation tank degrades complex organic matter into small molecular organic matter, carbon dioxide, moisture, etc. by controlling temperature, humidity, and automatic oxygen supplementation. The generated waste gas can use waste gas treatment device, and the waste gas emission meets the air pollutant emission standard. The equipment achieves the constant temperature function through the thermocouple device to ensure the high-efficient fermentation and degradation of the mixture. The final product is brown soil conditioner, which can be used for such as landscaping and black water fly breeding. In order to meet market's demand, Mingxuan has developed and produced a series of models into the market. The company insists environmental protection, energy saving, technology innovation, and strives to develop human environmental protection. Green mountains and clear water are equal to mountains of gold and silver. Mingxuan Company, for a better world.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.